Hello, Los Angeles. Or I would say Orange County. Guys, I'm back here in LA and back home. Today I'm gonna drive to the beach. I think the last video I went to the Dana Point beach, the harbor. Today I'm gonna take you to Laguna Beach, which is also about 5-6 miles away from my home. So let's go on another adventure. I'll show you what the Laguna Beach looks like. This is the drive all the way down to the Golden Lantern. If you go straight here about a couple of miles, we end up at the beach. The PCH, when I get to the PCH Highway 1, I will turn right, and then from there it's just a straight shoot for about 2 or 3 miles to Laguna Beach. So I'll show you when I get closer to the beach. Alright guys, up in the front you can see the beach, and I'm gonna reach the PCH soon, and I'm gonna turn right on the PCH, and then we will go along the beach all the way to Laguna Beach. And you know, if I take that road all the way up, I can go all the way to north of California. Alright, now this is the PCH. I'm driving. I entered the Laguna Beach area, which is going to be on my left hand side, and on the right you can see all those multi-million-dollar homes. Well, tens of millions of dollars. Very expensive area here. And the road is a little bit narrow. One of the streets I'm gonna turn right on a street called Legion, if I remember correctly, and that one will take me to a very nice panoramic view of Laguna Beach from the top and the Pacific Ocean. So I'll show you in a bit once I get there. Here is a nice view on the left of the beach. Now we are dropping down to Laguna Beach area. See, the beach looks very beautiful. All right, so I just turned up that Legion Street going up these hills, and we're going to top of the world. We're going to go to this canyon, and then once we get all the way up there, you're gonna see some really beautiful homes, and also the most amazing view of Laguna Beach and the Pacific Ocean from up there. So it was a little bit of a construction going on the way there. Here's some bikers, and so I couldn't use my phone. I had to pay attention to the road. Also, it's probably not legal to hold a phone like this and drive in California. So right now there's not that many people around, so I'm doing it just to show you guys. So let me get up there, and once I park the car, I'll show you the rest of the view. Alright guys, you can see the Pacific Ocean, and the Laguna Beach is down there. I just drive from there to here just to show you this beautiful view. I'm gonna take some photos and walk all the way up there just to take some more photos from up there, and then I'll be back. Now here's interesting view. If we look all the way there, that's Catalina Island, which is in the west coast of California, and you can actually take a boat all the way there. And this is where I am right now, and that is Laguna Beach City. Alright, now I'm on the top. You can see the ocean there, and if I go all the way around this side, you'll be able to see the valley and all the way to the mountains there. In the winter you will get a lot of snow there. Those mountains are pretty high, so that's a nice climb. That's about maybe 2.5 hours away from here if you drive. Now this is a very beautiful view. You can see the Pacific Ocean, Catalina Island there, and the valley. That's Highway 133 south. If you take that highway all the way to the canyon, and wow, look at those. Those are think they're eagles, maybe. I don't know. You can go inland, and that's, I think, 73, which is a toll road. So, and then if you go under it, you go to 5 freeway, and you go that way, you're gonna go to LA County. And now we are in Orange County, this area. So that was a cool view up here. Now let's go back to the car, drive down, and let's see if I can show you some of the beautiful views from down in the Laguna Beach city itself. Alright, y'all, so this is the walking area of upper part of Laguna Beach, which is very beautiful. You can see the Pacific Ocean here. You can even take the stairs down to the beach if you're interested. Guys, I hope you enjoy my video at Laguna Beach. I'm back home now, so if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Shows up right there, and catch you up on the next video.